Welcome to your Indian Economy course. With this brief walkthrough, we'll help you understand how the course is structured and how you can use it for complete effectiveness in your preparation. On the left, you'll find a panel listing all 24 chapters, economic survey section, current affairs, a glossary section, practice tests, and a focused previous year question section for UPSC prelims and mains. Each chapter is designed to take you through a structured learning flow. You begin with conceptual videos, where key economic ideas are explained in a clear and exam-relevant manner. These are followed by smart notes. These help you consolidate your understanding through structured content and are equipped with interactive navigation. This is followed by detailed reading material. It is provided with quick navigation and covers the depths of each chapter extensively. Once you've covered the concepts, you can move to the chapter-wise quizzes to test your understanding and help reinforce key ideas through instant and detailed feedback. The economic survey covers 6 parts. This breakdown simplifies the survey's high-yield themes. It helps you understand key data, policy direction, and exam-relevant insights, all in a structured format. This is followed by a thorough data bank, holding the key numbers and insights extracted from the survey. Next, you have access to 12 months of Indian economy-focused current affairs covering developments from April 2025 to March 2026. This ensures your static preparation stays aligned with evolving economic developments. Next is a glossary section. This comes with easy alphabetical navigation and searchability to help you quickly revise economic terms without interrupting your learning flow. Next, you will find 10 practice tests. Each practice test has 10 questions. You can attempt these to the best of your understanding. Once submitted, navigate to the Review, Assessment, and Test Analytics sections. You can check out various matrices of your performance like accuracy, time taken, and question-wise insights here. Lastly, follow the Previous Year Question section covering the last 5 years of UPSC prelims and mains. Prelims questions can be accessed as structured exercises, while mains questions are available along with their model answers, enhancing your answer writing efforts and pattern recognition.